What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one. If you are new to the channel, I am Gold Pony. Today we are in Stangosaurus. We're going to have a little bit of fun here. Going to be doing an exhaust comparison, the AWE Track Catback versus the AWE Touring Catback exhaust system for the 2018-2019 Ford Mustang GT. Of course, it's probably going to be similar to the 15 through 17 as well, so if you're interested in either one, it's probably going to be pretty similar. But so then, if you were wondering, the current exhaust system that is currently on Stangosaurus here is the track version. So that startup, that cold start that you heard at the beginning of the video, that was a cold start with the AWE Track Catback exhaust system. So right off the bat, I can tell you, because I've already experienced both of them, the track version is slightly louder, especially upon startup. But overall, when you really get on it, they are pretty similar when it comes to overall loudness when you really step on the gas. But there are a couple of differences between these two, and I wanted to point those out for you. And of course, I will be doing some exhaust comparisons for you guys later in the video, but for now, let me get to my first difference between the track version and the touring. First, let me get to the highway. Here's why. And so you guys can probably tell at highway speeds, just hanging out at 2,000, 2,500 RPM, somewhere around that ballpark, there is some drone, and that's what I was getting at there. It is quite loud. When somebody calls you on Bluetooth, I feel like you have to be screaming in order for them to hear you, although that's probably not the case, but it is also difficult hearing them when they're talking to you when you're droning on the highway like this. But we'll say on back roads, it's manageable. By the way, that's not specific to AWE. That is specific to any really muffler delete, which is essentially what the track exhaust system is here. And I will show you guys that a little later in the video, but I'm going to drone down the highway here, and in a couple seconds here, I will give you guys an exhaust clip so you can really see how loud the AWE track version can really get. Alright, so just so you guys can see what this exhaust looks like, the AWE exhaust systems do come with the H pipe. This is unique to the Mustang because a lot of them will actually come with the X pipe, so that is going to give it a little deeper of a sound, and then you have your resonators right behind that. And the part we are getting swapped out today is the axle back portion. So really the only true difference between the touring and the track versions here is the axle back portion of the exhaust. So you guys will see with the track version that I currently have on here, there's no muffler. So it is essentially a muffler delete, which causes that little bit of drone that you heard on the highway there earlier. So that's why I'm getting rid of it. And well, I shouldn't say getting rid of it. I'm still gonna have it, but I'm swapping it out for the touring. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I'll let you guys hear the exhaust clip in a little bit here. You guys, so the new touring AWE exhaust is now back on Stangosaurus once again. It was on the car at one point when CJ Pony Parts put it on, but then they took it off, put the track on, and now I put it back on. So anyways, yes, it gets loud when you really give it some gas. Oh, it pops. Yes, that is one thing I wanted in an exhaust system. The track actually didn't crackle, it did pop. The touring does. You would think it would be vice versa with a name like track, but it doesn't. Those are the two key differences. If you take away anything from this comparison, you guys, touring pops, and with that 180 technology, it also eliminates drone when you're on the highway. So really does give you the best of both worlds, perhaps hence the reason it costs a little bit more money as well. Put the prices on the screen right now in case you guys were curious, because the touring does cost a little bit more, but again, either way, it's still 304 stainless steel as opposed to the aluminized steel X pipe that I previously had on Stangosaurus. So therefore it is higher quality. Again, you have the 180 technology with the touring and the crackle and the zero drone. In the end, my choice is the touring. A little bit more expensive, but well worth it in my opinion, considering you're spending a good bit of money anyways. Might as well get the one that you're going to want to stick with and not want to swap out for a different exhaust system, kind of like the situation that I ran into. But so now I think we are going to end this video with a little back-to-back sound comparison test between the track and the touring here. So that is going to be about it for me, at least. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on social media at the bottom of the screen. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay gold. Here is the comparison.